This is part 66 of Angels' Homage, and it's titled, We Angels Are Wind. We form wind storms. They don't operate themselves. And this message is from Don, God of Earth 2. I'm love herself. I wrote down what the God of Earth 2 had to say. He said, This is Don, God of Earth 2. There are some lies going around that I'm here to clear up about the tornadoes. In Tornado Alley of Tulsa, Oklahoma, it's being said that tornadoes are just wind and nothing else. Well, what do y'all think wind is? He said. We angels are wind and more. We come down and address this and that. Now, that Tulsa windstorm was us, he says. Immediately after bombs supposedly dropped on innocent victims of Tulsa. It wasn't true. Oh yeah, they dropped bombs, but people were taken up by ship way before then. We saw the intentions, so we decided we'd stop the scene. Just stop them in mid-air. And we did, said God, Don of Earth 2. So then, he says, we gathered ours, and they were amazed. First you're in one place, then suddenly you're in another. They were overwhelmed. Then we took those on ship who were targeted. It was absolutely a mess. And so he went on to say, on ship, we fed them, clothed them. There were fleets of us. We rescued. That's what we do. None of those you've seen on the picture covered up with those sheets on the other tape, none were in those bodies. I know this is hard for some of you to hear, but you have a body beneath what you are in. It's magnificent. None of you are all wind. Your wind is your supply of air. It's you. You too. Another part of you is your flesh self. You are wind and flesh. You couldn't be all wind, all air. It's because air is weak without flesh. But your flesh self needs you, your wind self. It's not complicated, he says. Let's imagine this. Bullets were aimed at you, and they're strong enough to penetrate. Well, what would you do? Take cover? Run? As if bullets cannot chase? You're in a bind, so what next? Because once they catch up with you, you are history. Please go to the next part, and that was a message that will continue in the next segment by Don, God of Earth 2. It's time to believe. Time is running out.